Hi guys, this is Vishal and welcome to this free video. And you can see that I'm right now in a auditorium where I'm going to start my session in just half an hour at 6 o'clock in Chennai. So yesterday we had an absolutely brilliant webinar, I think so, where I shared a couple of very powerful intraday strategy. And I also leaked out some secret time cycle on Jindal Steel, which is doing well since last few days. And so many people were there online. If you want to check that recording of that webinar, make sure you go on to malkanstarcall.com to check the replay of that webinar. And if you have already registered, you might have already seen the replay, or you can go and watch it on the weekend. So let's get started today's session. And yesterday I also shared that this whole week I was on Bullseye, CNBC TV 18 Bullseye show, and how I picked up the stocks every day, 4 stocks a day, and how I managed to win that contest in spite of the choppy sideways market. And today was the winner. So there was the same stocks which we recommend in the videos, like Ashok Leyland and Apollo Tyre in the last 2-3 videos. Then Jindal Steel and short Reliance Infra and Capital on Wednesday, not on Thursday, and all these things. So how do we do this? It's not trying to show that we do well or how I won the championship or whatever the contest was. It is that how simple it is, how powerful it is, how clear it is. Can you guys see this? And you already bought Jindal Steel, you saw the webinar and made money. That's superb, absolutely brilliant. So right now I'm in Chennai. If you can see that, I can show that there are almost, you're going to see this auditorium, which is going to be full in next half an hour. And the same session I'm going to do tomorrow morning, 10 to 1 in Chennai. If you are in Chennai, just drop in at Music Academy in Chennai. So best tea time video today. Okay, great. Thank you so much. So let's see what happened today in the market. I'm sorry for the lights, which was in the auditorium right now. So let's see what happened today. And can you guys see the chart? Yeah, so today's 4 picks for my 4 picks on Bullseye. Let me show you. One of them was Ashok Leyland. That's up slightly, like not that much, but not bad also. And we have analyzed Ashok Leyland like so many times. 7-step process, multiple divergences, outside, inside, bullish candle, bullish volume, all that. Second pick for today was PNB, which was also flat, I suppose. And the third pick for today, which I picked up, was of course Jindal Steel. And it's been there since last 3 days. I've recommended. And why it is, if you want to know the secret of Jindal Steel, apart from this band walk, apart from this 60 plus RSI and divergence and all that, just go to that webinar and see what I leaked out. And very simple. You say, what's the secret there? But it's very profound, very simple, right? And the fourth pick I had today was, I guess, Bata India, which was also based on 5-star strategy. All 3 RSIs above 60 daily, breakout about that, and just going on and on. Simple trade. So plus I also shared one very powerful open high, open low strategy for zone 1 intraday traders. Yesterday's webinar was purely for intraday traders. So if you are into day trading or swing trading or BTST, then just go and watch that webinar on malkanstarcall.com. The webinar replay is available, and I just dropped in a mega bonus for those people who are joining Started a Program. So yes, just go and watch that. And just my message for today, I'm just going to start my seminar here, and I just want to prepare for that. So just last message, that one thing, you need to have faith in yourself that you can do it. Second, you need to simplify as much as possible so that you can do it. And third, you have to close all outside noise and news and every kind of other analysis. Stick to one tool, go master it, go deep. 7-step process: price, pattern, volume, momentum, volatility, time, and sentiment. So how time, one additional time thing on Jindal Steel can magnify your results, and how more confident you are to trade the stock and how it performs. That is completely different level of trading. So I hope you understood. I hope you go and watch the webinar. Here I'm not covering anything. I've just covered what the market is. Maybe I also checked on the stocks which I recommended. This is a weekend. Do your homework. Yesterday I shared one more strategy called key reversal on the webinar, and open high open strategy for intraday trading. Go and back test this on Saturday, Sunday. Spend at least 3 to 4 hours every day. Back test 100 charts each, so that you learn and love to do this, and then you make money out of this. So that's it, and I'll see you soon tomorrow for another webinar. If you're in Chennai, just drop into this venue, or tomorrow morning again I'm doing at 10 to 1, and go to malkanstar.com. And this webinar is only till Sunday midnight. So if you want to see this, go and watch this. This is the this is the 7th webinar which I did. So make sure you watch that video soon. And that Jindal Steel, which is the best part of that webinar, I suppose. So just go and same thing you can do for other stocks if you get the hang of it. Thank you so much. If you think this video was useful, make sure you share it. And before I go, let me just give you some more, so that let's look at what the stock which we were tracking, Ashok Leyland. And is there still room for it? I would say still there is more room for this stock. So if you want to trade this stock for next week, you can do is just draw a trend line. If this trend line crosses, that could be a good move. And here already is the 40 support. Inside, outside is already done. Bullish candlestick already done. Volume is done. Divergence is done. So, and weekly is a key reversal, which I explained in the webinar. Weekly divergence and monthly indecisive candle. The month is not yet over, but monthly is also at 40 support on RSI. If you check this one, that's very powerful setup. Now, although all this can go wrong and you can hit the stop loss and lose money, but the idea is to find out such 7-star trades and keep trading them, so the probability of making money is high and losing is less, right? And that's I think that's it. Let's see you next time for tomorrow's video. Make sure you share this video and join for malkanstarcall.com for the webinar which I did yesterday. Thank you so much. Good luck, good trading, and see you soon.